Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today, I want to talk about energy efficient homes. Are they worth it? And I personally think they're very important and worth it, not just for you as a great return on investment and savings in the long term, but also it is important to help our environment in the long run as well. So, what makes a home energy efficient? It means that it's using less electricity or it's using less gas or less anything that really comes from an energy source. There are various elements that you can enter into a home that's either a sustainable home or a passive home. There's also net zero homes that help you do this. So, the main thing that most people think about when you hear energy efficiency is solar panels. They're important, but they don't work for all houses. I work together with solar panel companies to assess where the house is facing, the angle and the pitch of the roof or the house. All of that is affected in terms of how much actual energy you're saving in all of that. Just some few pointers. If your house is roof pitch is facing the south, the east, or the west, those are the best. You're never really going to be seeing solar panels on the north side. And if you are, you're wasting money on that. And great thing about solar panels, you do get a rebate during tax season. And though that number has reduced over time, it's still something that you get back. And I've seen lately that if you have a decent amount of solar panels installed, you can pay back what you paid for the system if you pay it outright within 5 to 7 years. And then after that, it's basically you're saving money in your electrical bill overall. Another element that I think it's important that for energy efficiency is having really well energy efficient windows and doors that have glass or general insulation. Investing on replacing them with good flashing and having a double or triple glass with some argon glass within those glasses. The glass itself, it would be great. It saves you for that transmission of the cold and heat back and forth in your space, and you will notice yourself using less of your heating or cooling throughout the year because they're helping you with all of that. In terms of your heating and cooling systems, the best route, and I think it's a great investment, is geothermal. So right now, geothermal can be used in most places on Long Island. You will get limitations if you're too close to the shoreline, if you're close to the water, you have a very high water table. But the beauty of this is they drill a big hole down hundreds of feet down into the earth, and it uses the heat and the cooling of the earth to basically heat and cool your home. And you will be reducing your energy use by a lot. And it can be done vertically or it can be horizontally, but that is more pricey because you have to dig up even more on your land. And that can be done quite quickly, and it's connected to your hot water heater, your system in your home, and then it can use a similar duct system with vents to provide that cold or hot air throughout the house. And it can be divided into different zones like a regular system, so you don't have to worry about like, oh, but everything's going to be the same temperature. You can manipulate it if you want your bedrooms to be cooler than your first floor, etc. With that in savings, you do get a tax rebate at the end. Right now, there's also another refund right away that you're basically paying, will end up paying at the end only 50% of the actual overall investment into it. And similar to solar panels, it takes only a few years to get paid back. Do note that with that, you'll need to get it checked every 5-6 years to make sure all the piping is done well. And at the end of the day, it's a similar circle back with your standard HVAC system or your radiators. I think if you don't want to go that far, changing everything, having electrical heaters below windows is a great way to improve on energy efficiency for heating in specific rooms if you want to stay with what you have and not go big. If you're doing a small addition and you don't want to expand what you have, using split units that are energy efficient would be great as well. So I think these are all like key elements for an energy efficient home. Of course, insulation is super important alongside with windows. So if you're able to kind of redo a lot of the insulation of the exterior of the home, it will save you money in the long run by a lot. Hope this was helpful. And if you have any questions about it, let me know and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.